Hey friends, it's me, Teacher Adrienne, and I have a super fun science experiment for you to do at home. It's called the milk rainbow, or another name for it I've heard is milk colors or changing colors. Anyhow, it's a super easy experiment, and you need, I think, about 5 things. You need a dish, a small dish, or a plate works great too if you have a plate. Some milk. You need food coloring. I'm using red, blue, and yellow. Some dish soap, like Liquid Dawn works really, really good. And a Q-tip. Are you ready to get started? Okay, let's go. To get started with this experiment, the first thing you're gonna need to do is pour your milk into your bowl or plate. And it doesn't take very much, just a little bit in there. And then you're gonna put a dot of each color on the top of your milk. So there's some red and some blue. And let's get some yellow. And yellow. And then I usually put my dish soap into a little container, and then I use a Q-tip. And you're gonna get your Q-tip full of dish soap, and then you're gonna take it and put it right down into the middle of your container with milk. Did you see what just happened there? Let's watch that one more time, but this time let's do it in slow motion. Once the colors have moved around your plate, it usually only lasts about for one time. So if you want to do the project again, you can completely clean out your bowl and add more milk and more food coloring and use a little bit more dish soap to do the experiment again. Or you can just use your Q-tip and swirl your colors around and see what kind of swirly creations you can come up with. Sometimes it's just really pretty to swirl them around. Make sure when you're swirling them together, you do it nice and slow. Otherwise, if you do it really fast, it's just going to turn to brown really quick. Look how pretty those colors look. So what's going on in this experiment is basically a chemical reaction. It's a chemical reaction between the protein and fat in milk and the elements and chemicals that are in soap. And protein and fat, they like to hang out together. They're like best buds. They're all tight and happy together. But when soap comes in and tries to play with them, they run away to different corners of the plate. So that's what you saw happening right there on your plate. I know it's a super quick and super fast experiment, but you can do it again and again as long as you have enough milk at home and enough food coloring and enough soap. I hope you enjoyed that experiment today, friends, and I hope you have a good time trying it out. Talk to you later. Bye.